Shping. Coin is like a special digital coin. It's a unique form of cryptocurrency designed to enhance your shopping experience. You can't hold it in your hand, but you can use it online to do things. It's entirely digital, meaning you can access it through your computer or smartphone. It's part of the Shping ecosystem, a comprehensive platform that connects consumers, brands, and retailers. Shping wants to change how we shop. By integrating technology and digital currency, it aims to make shopping more interactive and rewarding. Shping coin has value, just like other digital coins. You can trade it, save it, or use it for purchases. You can buy things with it. Many online stores and some physical retailers accept Shping coin as a form of payment. You can also earn Shping coin. It's not just about spending, it's about earning rewards for your engagement. You earn it by sharing your thoughts about products. When you review products or provide feedback, you get rewarded with Shping coin. Shping coin is new and exciting. It's a modern way to engage with brands and products, making the shopping experience more dynamic. It helps you learn about products, and it rewards you for your opinions. By using Shping coin, you become part of a community that values your insights and contributions. As more people use and earn Shping coin, its value and utility continue to grow. It's not just a currency, it's a way to be part of a larger movement in the shopping world. With Shping coin, you can unlock special offers and discounts, making your shopping experience even more rewarding. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The future of Shping coin looks bright. As it continues to evolve, it promises to bring even more innovative features and benefits to users. So, get ready to embrace the future of shopping with Shping coin. Think of a big network of shoppers. Imagine a vast, interconnected web where every dot represents a shopper and every line signifies their interactions and transactions. They all use Shping coin. This digital currency is becoming a staple in the shopping world, revolutionizing the way we buy and sell. They use it to learn about products. By scanning QR codes and accessing detailed product information, shoppers can make more informed decisions. They use it to share what they think. Whether it's leaving reviews or discussing products with friends, Shping coin encourages open communication. Companies want to know what you think. Your opinions are valuable and businesses are eager to hear them. They use Shping coin to ask for your opinions. By participating in surveys and providing feedback, you help shape the future of products and services. You get rewarded for helping them. Every time you share your thoughts, you earn Shping coins as a token of appreciation. You can use Shping coin on your phone. Download the Shping app. It's simple to get started and join this innovative shopping community. Then you can start earning rewards. The more you engage, the more you earn, making shopping a rewarding experience. It's easy and fun to use Shping coin. The app is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone. It's a new way to shop and share. Embrace this modern approach to shopping, where your voice matters and your engagement is rewarded. You can do many things with Shping coin. You can earn it by simply engaging with the app. Share your thoughts about products you use every day. Get rewarded for your opinions and feedback. Every review you leave can earn you more Shping coins. You can use Shping coin to get discounts on your favorite products. Apply them at checkout to see the savings. Find special deals and exclusive offers on products you love. Shping coin opens up a world of savings. Save money while you shop, making every purchase more rewarding. You can also use Shping coin to support good causes. Donate to charities and make a difference. Help make the world a better place by contributing to community projects and charitable organizations. Shping coin is a versatile digital coin that can be used in many ways. It gives you power as a shopper, allowing you to make informed decisions and get the most value out of your purchases. Explore the Shping app to discover all the ways you can earn and use Shping coin. From shopping to supporting causes, the possibilities are endless. Join a community of savvy shoppers who are making the most out of their shopping experiences with Shping coin. Start earning, saving, and giving today. Section 4. Why is Shping coin good? Shping coin is good for many reasons. It helps you make informed choices. You learn about products before you buy them. Shping coin gives you a voice. Companies listen to your feedback. You can influence the products they make. Shping coin is part of a growing community. Connect with other shoppers, share your experiences and learn from others. Shping coin empowers consumers. It makes shopping more rewarding and engaging. Section 5. Shping coin. Easy and exciting. Shping coin is easy to understand. It's a digital coin for shoppers. You earn rewards for sharing your opinions. Shping coin is exciting. It's a new way to shop and earn. It gives you a voice and connects you with others. Shping coin is a powerful tool for consumers. It's easy to use and full of potential. Start exploring the world of Shping coin today.